know you are excited. I'm also very excited about this camp. We are so much blessed and highly favored to be here. I promise you, this is just the beginning. You are going to enjoy yourself physically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally. So be prepared. Because I was given something. He said to me, this time around, I'm commanding you to go and distribute the power. It's gonna be very hot in this house.